Hello everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm a Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes it, and today I'm going to show you my finished object, which are socks. So here they are, Zigzagular Socks, free pattern by Susie White, so check it out. I knitted these socks for my niece, so hopefully soon she's going to get it. In regards to this video, I'm not going to show you how to knit these socks, so if you're interested to grab a pattern, which is, I said, free pattern, go and check the links down below under the YouTube channel, so check it out. You will have all information in regards yarn I used and needles I used and pattern. So definitely go down below and check what's there. Let's start with tools, then yarn, then pattern. First things first, I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, but lately I have posted this beautiful bag that I received after Easter. I received it from Isabella, hi Isa, and she has her Etsy shop, so check it out. I will leave a link down below. So here is a beautiful, beautiful bag. I kind of teased with her because I said if we get 200 likes on Instagram, she's going to make one to give away on Instagram, so definitely follow me over there, and don't forget to follow Easy Bike. This is the first time ever bag that I have like this, and it has a string and you can drop it down and close it. We have approximately over here 5 fabrics actually, and you may see that dingling things which I call keychains. And I have these in my shop, which is one is socks, one is my own knitting I love one. And over here I have a progress keepers, and normally I use 4 progress keepers for socks because that's how I mark heel, because I like to do afterthought heel. If you don't know how to do afterthought heel, check this video, link down below. Quick 6 minutes tutorial. Beautiful. Needles. I use these needles. As you may know, I like to do a magic loop, knit 2 socks at a time, and for that I like to use Hi-Hi's because they have a sharp tip, Hi-Hi sharp, and these are interchangeable. You can recognize it by a pink cord cable. Over here US size 1, which is 2.25 millimeters, and I love these. And as you can see, I have this festive pouch, and I decided this year that I'm going to use it through whole year for any gift knitting that I'm knitting, or at least one. Normally sometimes even ends up to have more than one, but that'll be definitely this one. So, and as you can see, this is my lovely pouch. You can check my shop, and this is a gift knit. During the Easter, my mom was around. Hopefully you've seen some vlogs that I recorded and you enjoyed our one-day trips here and there. One day we spent time together at my sister's place, and I brought some yarn and asked my niece to pick color she likes, and she picked this one. I've already knitted as a kind of welcome on your holidays mom socks for my mom, and then my sister said that she would not mind a grey one, so I knitted her in these. So you can check it out. I'll try to put links down below, which I call Sis Bond socks. My niece was waiting for one, so she picked this. This is Drops Fable Superwash. We have some long print over here, and the color is 651, as you can see. It's a 75% superwash wool and 25% nylon. And Drops Fable doesn't have that proper twist with the strand. It gives you kind of high-low. I hope you can see it. So anyway, to knit these socks I use 50 grams, and as you can see I have some leftovers, and I try to have it matchy so I have a little bit more. And as you can notice, I also use a contrast color, and from contrast color I have that much of leftovers, and also 3 toes. This is 1 and these are 2. So anyway, during our trips I was thinking that these socks would be a perfect knit in the car, and I took these socks to knit here and there for a bit, and I actually finished them during our trip. But lucky me, I asked my niece to put them on. Will they fit? They didn't. They were tight. Basically what I did over here, I was knitting from toes up, so this way, big long tube, and then I decided to put heel. When I decided to put a heel, it appeared that they were too small. My sister said I should actually knit socks the way I knit socks for her or for myself already, but instead of 56 stitches as I would normally cast on, I, well, at least working around, I had over here 54. So the issue wasn't the slimness of the foot, it was more about the length. So I decided to do something that I've never done before and basically just cut off the toe and do it again. So basically knit a bit and then finish the toe. So I thought I would go the same way as you do after dot heel, and yes, that was really cool. Just remember as a tip, where did you start, and try to pick up stitches in the same direction. Otherwise there's always one gap for stitches. So I remember one sock I had to kind of slightly pick them up while I was unraveling. And unfortunately, once I finished one sock, without even looking somehow, I cut off the same toe, the done toe. I don't know, does it make sense? So I did a toe and accidentally I did the same sock and I cut it again. So that's why we have two smallies and one big one. But eventually I managed, I love it so much. And the pattern I use is a free pattern. I thought I want something that is relaxing, and basically I just took the chart and read the chart. I actually hasn't focused what kind of toe it is it top down or not, so check it out yourself. I know I'm not helpful here. And the one thing that I changed, because that little river or zigzag thing should be in twisted stitch, but I did regular knit stitch. That's the difference. So I hope you can see it. For me, it's like a river. This year, for me, it's a river. I don't know. I think it's a river. The same thing over here. I hope you can see it. And it's going to be on the side of the foot. I actually could block these, but I didn't. Lovely, really cool, really cool. There's something about socks on the sock blocker. So go grab your needles, check this pattern. Don't forget to use hashtag knitting I love. Show me what you're knitting, and I hope I'm going to see you next time. Bye! Next finished object video is going to be this hat. Subscribe. Bye! I can make a clown or a duck.